Charlie, I'm in love with a sick body, big body. I'm in love with a fake body.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm sure if it's your first time stopping by. So in today's video, we're going to be following a makeup tutorial done by Makeup by Spencer. So the other day I was on YouTube minding my own business, scrolling down YouTube. I was watching Jay Israel. Now, if you do not know who Jay Israel is, honey, you're missing out a lot, okay? Jay Israel spills the tea, the Christian tea, he exposes all those fake prophets and them, and yeah. But I saw this video in my recommendation. It just kept coming up. I'm like, okay, maybe we are going to try this out. So the thumbnail of the video quotes me. Title was how to contour a round face. Okay, this is a polite way of saying how to contour a chubby face, how to contour a fat face. Honey, guys, as you can see, for me it's not a secret anymore. Like, honey gained some pounds, after I had a baby during the pregnancy and stuff like that. Very soon I'll stop using this excuse for my weight gain because I'm seeing like the birds are moving, and very soon this excuse will not work. I get so much weight and most of the weight is on my face, and I'm like, honey, why couldn't you go somewhere else? Why my face? Like, so yeah, so I just going to follow the tutorial and see if we are going to be able to sculpt this face. Now, if it's your first time stopping by, please subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to this channel. Also, click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post a new video. Without being said, let's get into this video.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. Welcome on back to my channel.
So I'm just going to fast forward this. We get to the part where he's doing the tutorials and stuff like that.
To start, I'm using the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream from Fresh to prep the skin, and I'm applying it to the face with a damp beauty blender.
I got this from an Indian shop and this is so good. This is the fruit of the world, vitamin C. It contains SPF, anti-aging, and all that good stuff. So I just use this for my, to moisturize my face.
I like using the same beauty blender throughout the whole application because I like the way the blender applies the foundation when it has a bit of that.
Okay, I have never in my entire life used a sponge to moisturize my face, but it seems to be working good. Okay, so for foundation, he uses the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, but he says it has a glow and stuff like that. So I don't have that. And for foundation, I'll use the Revlon Color Stay Makeup foundation. Mine is the shade Ivory. Yeah, so I am in the shade Ivory, and it has that glow to it, a luminous. That's what I'm trying to say. So it has that luminous kind of glow to it, and he's using a sponge. I normally go in with a brush, and then afterwards that's when I'll go in with a sponge. So I just put two pumps of that foundation and we're gonna apply it.
Using the luminous foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade 450C. I'll include this along with all the other products I'm using today down in the description box. But I've been using this foundation for a little while now. I enjoy it because it really is a luminous foundation that doesn't look cakey, and it's versatile.
Okay, so to contour her face, he went with the Huda Beauty Cream contour, but I will go into with this Revlon. I don't know why I'm using Revlon. I don't know if Revlon still makes this, but this is from Revlon All-in-One Cream to Powder Compact Makeup, and this is in the shade Nutmeg, and I will use this to contour my face exactly the same way that he's contouring her face.
I'm going to use the contour cream from Huda Beauty in the shade Medium to start defining the features of Jalisa's face. I'm starting with applying this product in the cheekbone area and then under the jawline. I forget which exact brush I was using here, but it seems to be some kind of face blending brush or blush brush. And for the under the jawline, you see me kind of pinching this brush, and I'm doing this because I want the contour here to be a bit sharper and not as diffused as the rest of the face. I do this a lot with brushes. I can get away with doing a whole face, including the eyes, using maybe only 5 or 6 brushes. I don't switch out brushes for every little step of the way, or else I'd go through 40 brushes.
Okay, so he's using a cream concealer. As for me, I'm going to be using the Inflammable and the Allego Pro Concealer. Now, I don't know whether it's because of the coronavirus or something like that. Like, most of the stuff is out of stock. So I went to about like, I don't know, 4 clicks in Discounts. They did not have any shade into this concealer. And I really wanted it. So I ended up picking something that is like 3 shades lighter than me. This is in the shade... This is the shade 330 Pecan. That is Pecan. I don't know what Pecan is. So this is in the shade 330, and this right here is the shade Fawn. So I'm going to use this to contour my face.
And speaking of bright, I'm using the Kevin Kwan Central Skin Enhancer in shade SX08 to brighten and conceal the under eyes. I'm applying this starting from the inner corner of the eye and working my way up and out. You can see here that I'm using my little trick by following the bottom lash line upwards towards the hairline. Now, if you're struggling with where to place your concealer to give that lifted cheekbone look, all you have to do is follow that imaginary line from your lash line and bring it straight up and out. This is the same line that I'll be using later on as a blueprint for the application when I'm placing my baking powder, eyeshadows, and eyeliner. I'm also using a little bit of this concealer to brighten the center of the forehead, the nose, the cupid's bow, and chin. Then with the pointy end of the beauty blender, I'm beginning to softly blend and diffuse everything out. Now our model is already gorgeous without the makeup and has beautiful skin, but I still tend to use full coverage for on-camera makeup.
Okay, so I'm going to go in with the beauty blender and blend the exact way that he blended the model's face. So he firstly starts by the bottom here to diffuse it, and then he goes up, and yeah. Okay, so I have been blending this concealer for about 10 minutes, guys, and now my hands are sore, and I don't know, it looks blended to me. I don't know, it's just too bright. I'm sure we're gonna make it work, so let's just carry on and follow the tutorial.
For at least a year, and I still have half of it left. A little goes such a long way. Okay, with the setting powder from Anastasia Beverly, half of it left. A little goes such a long way.
Okay, so what I saw he's doing is that with whatever that was left on the brush, he just goes to sharpen the contour. He's just going to reverse contour, I'm sure that's what they call it. Okay, so he is going in with a setting powder. I am going to go in with my translucent powder from Signature Cosmetics. Okay, so I'll use this contour palette right here, and I'll go into this shade. Okay, so now I see that he's baking the model's face, but the face powder that he's using to bake is almost her complexion, if not her complexion. So I'll just go into my Fit Me Maybelline. I'll just use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a compact powder, the shade 355 Cinnamon. he's doing an eyeshadow look for the lady, I'll just do something simple, because the purpose of this video is to learn how to contour our face, not eye makeup and stuff like that. So I'll just do a very simple eye makeup look. So I'll just dip into this eyeshadow palette. This is by Signature. I really love this. I'll just use this color right here. So I'll just use these two colors. So I'll go in with my brush. The first color I'll use is this one right here. Then I'll go into this color, this one right here. Then I'll go back in the color. Then I'll go back into this. I'll just go into this Signature bronze to highlight my face. So I'm using the same highlights to highlight my inner dots. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and must I say that I like how my face feels. First of all, my face doesn't feel cakey. I don't feel like I'm wearing too much makeup. I like the technique because I feel like it's really did slim down my face. Like guys, I'll try and put a clip of, you know, me before and now. I feel like, yeah, I feel like the technique does really slim down your face. You know, I don't look as chubby as I look without makeup, you understand? So I like this technique. I am going to be using this technique like when I feel like, you know, those days that I feel like I want to resculpt my face, I will definitely use this technique. I do not have so much to say other than I feel good. I feel like I look good. I tried blending this makeup to my capability. Okay, so yeah, please guys, like this video. If you like this video, comment down below what you like about this video, and if you have any video suggestions, please link them down below. And of course, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, for watching my videos. I really appreciate. Guys, with that being said, we have come to an end of this video. So yeah, stay blessed and be safe. Bye.